Okay. Well, hello, guys, everyone. Welcome to another community call. This is August 23. And well, last week I missed it because I was in East Argentina. As you know, well, Argentina is my home country and also one of the bigger communities in the whole of crypto. I guess you might, if you have been following the news, you might have learned why this is the case. So yeah, because of big currency problems, governance problems, and everything that you know. So I was there. Um, well, meeting some projects that may integrate into Kleros. There are lots of different projects um, that are popping up there. New people, building different stuff on Web3. So it's a great place to be when this conference happens because everyone is there. And one thing that I knew this, but I kind of remember this the other day when they said this in one of the talks at the conference. The DAI currency, the stable coin, was actually deployed in Buenos Aires by a member of the maker team. So that's how important we are in the ecosystem. Okay, so that's a bit about what I've been doing last week. The big news we had in the past few days is, of course, the testnet launch that we deployed a few weeks ago, and that is fully under test. You guys have been already testing it. You have been seeing how it's working. We got lots of bug reports, and some of them were fixed already. Others are in the process of being fixed. So most of the team time now is being used for that. So that's one of the big things we have now. Another interesting thing going on now is the Kleros Bootcamp. As you know, we launched 2 years ago an incubator for fostering the development of different teams and applications built on Kleros, people building on curation or escrow type of applications. Others were doing, NFTs. This is something. It's kind of our ecosystem development program, and this works well. But we got many times questions from different teams that they were just starting or that they wanted to participate, but they couldn't go to Lisbon. So the incubator program is in Lisbon. So we decided to this time make a bit of a different format. Instead of having the incubator, we decided to do this as a boot camp where you learn all of the basics to build a crypto project, strategy, how to build your network effects, how to evaluate, legal elements, how to put in place, solid smart contract development and auditing processes, how to build a community, all of the different elements that go into building one of these projects. So this time we are doing this fully remote. So people can apply with their team from where they want, and they don't have to travel if that's a complication. And we are not funding teams at the beginning. Anyone can apply and then participate and then learn. And then after the program ends, when we see some of the teams, if they are promising, then we might give some funding for them to keep working on the project. So that's how we are going to do this time. And we are probably going to still do the in-person incubation, but after doing this bootcamp. So the communications are starting right now, so you can already apply if you have a team, and feel free to share this with your friends, family, dog, and whoever you know who might be building stuff on Web3 that could use Kleros for resolution. And the other big thing for the new this week is, as you know, the launch of Susi. So Susi is this Telegram bot that is like a part of our Kleros Moderate product. I already explained a few days ago how this idea was born. Since the very early days of Kleros, we had the idea of that you could use, Kleros jurors to evaluate, content moderation situations, like if some users' comment were like breaking the rules of a community, and if that user should be banned from the group, or those type of decisions, which are quite controversial, I have to say. For example, when we had the proof of humanity drama, a lot of the discussions were about, oh, you are Federico, you are censoring the free speech in your group because you don't want people to know about this. And then okay. So, so those type of situations, it's better for, the community to be in charge of these decisions. Back then, we started working with Shotaro on the development of this product called Kleros Moderate. As you know, when life gives you lemons, then you make lemonade. So we started this development, we spent quite some time doing the user research and building the tool and integrating with reality for. I don't want to explain this because Shotaro, who is here with us, is going to explain a bit more how this works. So the thing is that for now, Kleros Moderate was mostly in a test phase. We were using this in the trading group, and now we are starting to implement it in more groups. And also we are, starting to gather feedback to make it better and to address a number of bugs that it has, and then also basically to try to expand it to a larger number of communities. And I have to say, we got a lot of traction in the last few days. We got people, asking